tornadoes are possible. The outlook here stretches from Des Moines all the way to San Antonio, but highlighted in red is that highest potential of seeing some strong to severe weather. As we go into Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning, the threat actually increases. You can tell very likely here. So as these colors progress, that chance of potential of severe weather really starts to go up. So we are expecting severe weather, including tornadoes for Mississippi, Alabama, and Louisiana as we go into early Wednesday morning. And that threat just continues. We track this as it moves out towards the east. So as we head into Thursday, Charlotte, Raleigh, Richmond, Philadelphia, all likely to see very strong storms where we could see winds gusting over 55 miles per hour, even hail, and isolated tornadoes still possible as we go to Thursday. A wide look at the timeline here. We'll start things off at 5 p.m. on Tuesday. Notice that it's still very quiet. Again, most of this threat is not really going to unfold until late on Tuesday night. So take advantage of today, take advantage of tomorrow. As I pause the clock at 2 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday, so as all of us go to bed on Tuesday night, we need to be ready for that overnight threat. You can see those showers and storms building in Texas. It moves through Dallas and also Houston Wednesday morning. And then during the day on Wednesday, it's moving through Arkansas, Louisiana, and Mississippi. The threat continues Wednesday night into Thursday morning as that line plows through Middle Tennessee and reaches the Carolinas by the time we get to 11 a.m. on Thursday. So again, this is a multi-day event, and we do have all modes of severe weather possible here. There's a look at what we're expecting for Tuesday night. Again, that possibility of severe weather stretching from Des Moines all the way through Kansas City down to the Gulf Coast. My highest concern, definitely on Wednesday. I mean, you can tell by the bright colors, right? And as we head into that dark maroon color of Louisiana, Mississippi, and also Alabama, that's where we have the highest potential of tornadoes happening.
I'm Amy Freeze. Welcome to Fox Weather's YouTube page. We have more great videos on the way, so make sure to subscribe to stay updated on all things weather.